Talent needs practice and practice beats talent, as you can witness from these 3 tries. The first try looks bleak as I couldn't figure out the colors. I was busy in figuring out the shadows and highlights and the shapes. On the second try, I figured out the colors, but it's not blended, though the lights and shadows are visible. Lastly, in this try I implemented what I learned from the earlier tries. The blending is smooth, colors are right, and I added a little texture to give it a more realistic feel. So, practice, my fellow artists. Have fun.